how to animate in KineMaster app. So if you want to animate anything, say an image or a text, let me show you how you can do it in KineMaster. My name is Isaac and this is a minute with AI. So for this tutorial, we are going to animate this text. You can see I have a text here and we like this text to be animated and not just be still here. To do so, go ahead and tap on the text timeline here. And from here, you will see this pop-up window, and under it, we have in animation. If I go ahead and tap on it, you can see we have quite a number of animation styles that we can apply on this text. So go ahead and choose the style that you so wish. For instance, if we can choose maybe slide right, you can see our text will be sliding right like that. If you want it to pop, you can see if we choose that, it will go ahead and pop up. So you can scroll down and you will see your text. You can choose any style of animation from this list. So if you go ahead and play it now, let me go ahead and play the whole of it and see the effects. So if we play the whole of it, now look at that, the animation will be applied. To make the animation longer or shorter, you can increase the time for animation by going back to in animation, and you can see we have here a timeline. This is 1 second. So if you want it to animate for long, you can increase the time here. So if I leave it at 2.5 seconds, it will be so. I can as well go ahead and do it for 3.5 minutes. So if I go ahead and play the whole of this, you can see the animation now should be much longer. And look at that. And that means it will be more slow. So that's how you apply text animations on your videos in KineMaster. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.